Morning, loves, and welcome to a day of our life. Let's get started. Now, let's start our day. All right, my beloveds. As you guys know, first thing in the morning, 7 days a week, I hit the gym. I'm always at Gold's Gym in Venice. But today, I have a very special surprise for you. My workout partner, who's also my very dear friend, is a firefighter. And he's invited us to his fire station. He's actually a real life hero and an amazing human being. And so he is part of the special crash unit over at Los Angeles International Airport. So literally his fire station is on the runway. So he's invited us to come over. I'm going to do a quick workout with him, and then he's going to give us a tour of the station. And keep your fingers crossed, if we're lucky, he's going to give us a ride on the fire truck onto the runway, which will be amazing. And hopefully we can slide down the pole too, which would be so much fun. All right, I will see you guys at the fire station. Here at station 80, which is the fire station. You guys, this is one of my favorite people in the whole world. Ricky, my workout partner. We've known each other how long?
I don't know, you tell me.
Okay.
We're really good at those
Yeah,
dates,
okay. 12 years ago, we started working out together. Yeah. So this guy's got epic abs and beautiful, gorgeous physique. Amazing, amazing trainer, and he's kicked my ass into shape. All right, so let's do our tour. I can't wait to see this.
All right.
Okay, you ready?
All right, let's go.
All right. Oh my God, look at these, you guys. These are special rigs, right?
Yeah, crash rigs. It has a lot of special stuff just for planes.
So you guys should know, Ricky's been a fireman for 33 years?
33, almost 30. This year is 34.
It's amazing because he's only 35. He started when he was 2. So actually, this guy's a real hero. He won't tell you himself, but on several occasions, you almost didn't make it, did you?
Yeah, well, he was in a couple serious
Couple
calls. Yep.
When we work out together, he would tell me the stories, and he's so mad. It's like, you know, he's rescued people in our gym, and like, there's several people who call him like their angel. You know, Ahmad is one of them. He was the first on the scene where someone had a severe accident, and he saved their life. So it's pretty incredible having a workout partner and dear friend as a hero and an amazing person. Okay, so let's see a little more. I love this.
Okay,
so look at this, you guys. So we're literally at the airport.
we are right here on the field side, we call it, of the airport.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Oh, there's one taking off right now. You guys see?
Yep. That's it.
All right, you guys, check this out. Check this out. Okay, so you have to understand that Ricky does these. That's crazy. Okay, so that's just a taste of what he does. He'll go all the way to the top of that rope, all the way up, and then all the way back down, and you do doubles. So you touch your butt to the ground.
Now touch my butt, go right back up.
And how many of those can you? What's your record?
11. 11 doubles.
11 doubles. That's why he
30
looks like that.
singles.
So tell them your
30
age.
singles.
30 singles. Tell them your age. How young are you?
56.
Years
57.
young. Okay, I know he won't show you his abs, but for all my lady viewers, okay, that's what a badass he is. So what's your position? Because everybody has a different position. So
There was only 2 guys on this rig.
only 2 on every rig?
One drives it, and I operate everything that would put the fire out if we should get one.
Wow, which we hope never ever happens.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, you guys, look. This is the real pole where they slide down. That's so cool. Okay, maybe I'll slide down the pole. Hopefully I don't kill myself.
Okay, it's your game. Man. People are like, no.
Oh, I'm totally game. Oh my God, you guys.
Okay.
So wait, hang on. So tell me again. Here.
Yeah.
Wait, move my hair. Shoulder. Arm.
Yeah.
getting kind of loud. Okay, let's go do it again. All right, you guys, here I go. Right here, and...
I'm digging through the glove box.
You guys, we're gonna go for a ride.
Thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock.
How cool
Bought the car my junior year.
Wow.
My backpack. And you can pick a soundtrack. Oh, we're heading for the East Coast tonight.
Thank you, Ricky.
So pack your
Wow,
bags
this
and
is so
hold on
cool.
tight, 'cause we're taking off.
So here's all our
Oh yeah, here, let me do it.
controls and things.
Look at this. It's like a plane. Look at that.
Yep.
Wow. All right, badass Ricky. We're still in the rig and we're going for a ride.
Always have to look out
And
for
say
places.
hello to New York City.
Oh yeah. Ow! What is this, you guys?
And say hello to New York City.
That's literally where they take off.
Say hello to New York City.
Oh yeah, there's planes right there. Oh my god, there's planes right there. Like, we're literally on the runway, you guys. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's
So we
crazy.
have a
Look at
trigger here in the back of this that you push and the water comes up.
Some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, 'cause we're moving on. Pack back here, drag you in. Pack back here, in. Drag your backpack here, in. Back coast, hold back there, in. Run away with me. We're on the way to New York City.
Okay. Oh my god, you guys, that was the most amazing tour. Thank you, Ricky.
Here, it's all welcome.
Thank you so much. That was incredible. I can't believe you even gave me a ride. That was incredible. Okay,
Great stuff, Rick.
amazing. It's really cool stuff.
Yeah, I'm lucky to be here.
Oh my god, they're lucky to have you. They're lucky to have you, Ricky. Yeah. All right, you guys, let's go on to our next adventure. Thank you, Ricky. That was amazing. That was so cool. I really appreciate you sharing that with me. So much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that because I loved it. I was so happy to see him in his work environment and just to have a visit at the station. Okay, so now we're on to our next adventure. We're ready for my next adventure. So, of course, a day in my life would not be complete without visiting my gorgeous girl, Penny.
Hi,
And, oh my god, look, we're matching. How cute are we?
Red day today.
Powerhouse for two powerhouse women, absolutely.
Yes.
This is my friend Penny from Foskaris Wellness Center, and she has all sorts of amazing things, which I will show you guys in infrared. She has fat loss treatments. Hello. Along with skin tightening. She has skin tightening. She also has relaxation, infrared sauna, infrared
We do genetic testing for nutrition, so you will have your carb, protein, fat ratio to you and nobody else. And even what type of exercise and how many days a week they should exercise. I mean, everything is down to science for you because diets don't work.
No, diets don't
No.
work.
And I found a sign really fast. I want to say this.
Okay.
There was a sign I was in LA and it said, I finally got the willpower to stop dieting.
Yes.
And no more dieting. It doesn't work.
No, just be healthy.
Be healthy.
And relaxed.
Okay, yes.
All right, so now we're done down here in Orange County. Gotta head about an hour's drive north of here to head back to LA. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna head inside to my apartment. I have some clients. I have some business to handle. I have some calls to make. So that kind of stuff. I mean, it's good business stuff that I have to take care of, but it's kind of boring to watch. So I will see you early on this evening because I have an amazing event that I'm going to, and I can't wait because I'm going to take you guys with me. It's good. So we're on our way to an event. I'm really, really excited to take you guys with me. I've been invited to a really wonderful event at YouTube, and I'm taking all of you with me. I'm just waiting on my girl. Oh, there she is. I'm waiting on my girl Annie, and we're gonna go together. She's my date. Okay. I'll see you guys in a bit. What's up, you guys? I'm here with my gorgeous girl Annie.
You're so cute.
You're so cute. I love you. You guys actually saw her before. I know you all fell in love with her. We had lunch together and we danced.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're going to a YouTube event together. Hear the music?
Yeah. Dancing, booty workouts, YouTube, all of it.
Everything. Causing trouble together. All right, let's go into YouTube. It's so exciting, you guys. This is the first time I have ever been at YouTube.
Hello.
I love it.
Hi.
Oh, This was such a wonderful event, and YouTube is such a beautiful space. It's just, as you guys can see here, it's this huge warehouse loft, and it's in a beautiful location right in Playa Vista, and it was a wonderful turnout. Lots of people showed up. I really love meeting other YouTubers. As you guys can see, we stayed till quite late in the evening. I think we kind of closed the place. Guys, we had a blast at YouTube. It was amazing, really wonderful event, great music, and now we're going to get something to drink at a really cool little place. All right, come on, honey, let's go. I had the prettiest date in the whole place.
I have the prettiest date.
Oh, you love.
You're so cute.
So we just finished at YouTube, and I'm on a hot date with my gorgeous girl, Annie. We're at this really cool restaurant. What's this called?
The Panini Grill, or the Panini Cafe.
It's really nice. Yeah, it's a great vibe. It's really cool. We're outside. It's really, really cool. And it's in, Playa del Vista. Is that Playa Vista. Okay. We had a wonderful time, and now we're chilling, I'm so boring. I'm having water. She's having wine. And we're just having a juicy, delicious time. Wish you were here. All right, my beloveds, it's the end of a very long but super fun day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoyed coming along with me. I loved taking you guys with me today. So if you guys like these day in the life videos, message me below and let me know, because I will for sure make more of these. I really, really enjoyed having you with me. It was literally, it felt like you guys were just, tagging along like my friends with me. It was really fun. So if you have any questions, hair video. My hair is such a hot mess. I'm desperate for a haircut. I'm connecting with my friend right now. So hopefully in the next couple weeks, we'll do a hair care video. Let's see what else. Oh, if you have any questions for Ricky, he's not single, he is spoken for, he's taken. He has a gorgeous Italian girlfriend who is amazing. In fact, when we first walked into the fire station, that mural there, she hand-painted that mural. She's really an incredible world-class artist and an amazing person. So, yeah, sorry ladies. He's spoken for. But if you have any other questions for me, or of course Penny in our wellness center, it's an amazing wellness center in Orange County in Anaheim Hills. So I'll put her information below so you guys can check that out as well. I think that's it. Oh, okay, yes. One more thing. Two more things. One, head over to Instagram and definitely check out what I'm doing over there. I'm doing daily vlogs in the stories. I'm also posting, so if you guys like the content here, you'll love what I'm doing over on Instagram. And also, if you like the video, give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe, join our YouTube family. It's an amazing, amazing community of beautiful people, and we would love to have you. All right, now we can say goodnight. I love you guys so, so much, and I appreciate you just to infinity and back. And remember, you guys can do this. I'm telling you, you can make your dreams a reality, and I'm here to help you every step of the way.